Hello everyone, Sanjana this side and I am a forever business owner. I welcome you all in today's new product video. In today's video, I am going to talk about forever aloe vera jelly. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, then hit the like button. Now let's start the video. Content of this video is going to be: first I'll talk about ingredients of aloe vera jelly. After that, benefits of this product and how to use it. I will tell you all these things in detail. So first of all, let's talk about its ingredients. It has three key ingredients. First is aloe barbadensis leaf juice, and you all know aloe barbadensis is the top variety of aloe vera with so many health benefits. It contains 85% of it. Second, glycerin, and third, vitamin E. I have mentioned the rest ingredients below. You can check it out. And it is vegan friendly, vegetarian friendly, and gluten free product. It is 100% natural. It doesn't contain any kind of chemical. This is the best product for those people who are very much conscious about their skin and face because no chemicals are mixed in it at all. Now let's talk about its benefits. As you already know about skin benefits of aloe vera, it is anti-aging, okay? But what are the benefits of this specific product? First benefit is it is best in all skin problems like psoriasis and eczema. Next benefit, it is the best protector of our skin in every season. It protects our skin from free radicals and infections. You can use it in any season, whether it is winter, summer or rainy season. If you have more pimples on your face and after pimples pits appear on your face, then this product can remove all the pimples and pits. Next benefit, it removes pimples and dark circle. Here is one more thing to look. Many people have clean skin and have some small pimples and they start using this product. Then they may have some pimples on their face. Because this product firstly clean your skin by inside, then it will clean your skin outside so that you can get fair and glass skin. Okay. You have to use this product for 2 to 3 months to see its best results, and if you have longer problem of pimples, then you have to use this product for 6 plus months to see best results. You have to use it on daily basis and regular basis. Next benefit, it balance pH level of our skin. It provide nourishment and moisturization to our skin. Those people who have dry skin, they often feel irritation because of dehydration, right? So if you are using this aloe vera jelly once or twice a day, then your skin get proper moisturization. After that, next benefit, it reduces wrinkles and dark spots of acne. It can be used by every skin type persons. Both men and women can use this product. You can use it as a primer before makeup and also to remove your makeup. Sometimes it happens that makeup leaves some impact on your skin, some bad impact on your skin. So before you are applying your makeup, so before your makeup, use it as a primer. So it will protect you from that also and remove your makeup with this aloe vera jelly. It will surely protect you from any effect. Next, ninth benefit, best for heel cracks and promotes natural glow. It reduces redness around eyes due to any reason, whether it is more work on phone or laptop, whether it is age, less sleep and stress, or any other reason. Here what you have to do is you can apply aloe vera jelly under your eyes and massage very softly for few minutes. It will provide you coolness and relief. Next benefit, it removes dust particles and it doesn't stain clothing. It is anti-aging, as I already told you. You can also use it after shaving, waxing, laser and threading, and also for intimate care. Next benefit, you can apply it on rashes. It will provide you relief for sure. Now if I talk about 17th benefit, so it keeps our skin hydrated and it is child safe. Quite often what happens is a small child get rashes on the nappy area. They feel a little burning sensation. You can apply it there. It will provide coolness and provide relief in rashes. Next, you can apply it after insect bite. Next benefit, it removes marks of sunburns. It controls dandruff and hair fall and promotes new hair growth. Overall, this is the best product for your skin, face, hair and nails. You should definitely use it once in your life. You will surely love it. Now many people have price issue. They find it expensive because it comes in the range of 950 to 1000 rupees. But in actual it is worthy. It is long lasting, like it lasts for 4 to 5 months, and it has so many health benefits as I already told you. Now let's talk about how to use Forever Aloe Vera Jelly. See, Forever Aloe Vera Jelly is transparent as you can see on your screen. You can use it anytime, but if you use it at night, then it will give you best results. Like you can wash your face with some chemical free soap and then apply some little amount of aloe vera jelly. And if you have dry skin, so you can apply little more amount of aloe vera jelly, then massage it for 2 to 3 minutes with your fingertips and leave it for the whole night. Then wash your face with water in the morning. And if you use it in the morning, then same process you have to repeat. You can leave it for the whole day, or you can wash your face after 2 to 3 hours minimum. You have to use it for daily basis for consistently to get best results, and you can use it once or twice a day. It's totally your choice. If you have any query related to any product of Forever Living Products International, or you want to use any product, and if you want to know about the price and other things related to any product, then you can just fill the form given in the description of this video. I will definitely provide you proper information. Okay. So if you really like the information about aloe vera jelly, then you can just share this video to your teammates, family and friends, and you can subscribe to my channel for more products information and other information related to Forever Living Products International. If you use this product before, then you can share your experience in the comment section. See you all in next video. Bye bye, take care.